Hello students, welcome in our new session. The name of session is conjunctions, right? See what is mean by conjunctions. We use different words or a group of words in sentence, and some of them are conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that link the words or a group of words or sentence. Words like and, or, but, though, because, if, unless, etc. are called as conjunctions. Right? See, here there are some examples. Gandhi and Nehru. So, and is the conjunction. It is used to join the words. Strange but true. But is the conjunction used to join the both adjectives. Then salt or sugar, it used to join the nouns. Like that, Sumi will sing the song if she likes it. Here, the if is a conjunction used to join two sentences, right? Look, Sumi sang the song because she liked it. Here again, we use because, right? So, like this, use of conjunction is there. Okay, students. The table below lists some conjunction in English with examples. Here is the list of conjunctions with the examples. Okay, first of all, let's see what are that conjunctions are. Okay, students, the first conjunction is and and the example is I want to meet Alex and Sarita, right? Like that. Okay, but the second one is but Alex was at home, but Sarita wasn't. Or Sarita or her cousin will help us with the project. Look at that words means conjunction which are used to join the word, sentence or group of words, right? Because no one likes Harish because he is very rude. If it rains, our trip will be cancelled. Unless we will not let Harish play with us unless he behaves well. When, look at that, one second. When I was not at home when Jatin arrived. Although Anita is getting a garage belt, although she doesn't have a car. Though this medicine is bitter, it is effective. As we return home as the class was cancelled, until Naresh stood there until the next bus arrived. Either or, either Surendra or his sister will distribute the sweets. Neither nor, neither the king nor the minister know how to solve the problem, right? Okay, both and both the doctor and his wife escape unhurt. Like that, these are the some examples of conjunctions. Let's read out once again, which are that and, but, or, because, if, unless, when, although, though, as, until, either, neither, nor, and both and. So these are the conjunction. Use of conjunction. Now students, let's see. Conjunctions express a wide range of relation between words and word groups. Following list explains a few important uses of conjunctions. I will tell you what are that important uses of conjunctions. Let's see. First of all, sure. Let's see. And links item of similar nature. We use conjunction like and, right? It is used for link the item with a similar nature. Look at that example. Rice and curd. He opened the box and let the cat out. Means the similar nature kind of words are there, then we use and type of conjunction. But is express the difference between the items it links. Look, let's see. But is the conjunction. It is used to express the difference between the items and links. Spicy but tasty. There is the difference. Spicy but tasty. The jar fell down, but it did not break. Right? Like this, you can use but to join the sentence and words too. Or expresses a choice between two or more things. When you have to show the choice, you can use or, right? Give me orange juice or tea, means here the choice, right? Sudhir or Meena will represent our school at the competition, right? Okay, so look at that conjunction. Next, conjunction expressing time relation are after, before, since, until, when, etc. Time relations, the conjunction which shows time relations are after, before, since, until, when, etc. So look at that example. She was packing the bag when I got in. It expresses time. When expresses time. Call me after you reach Chennai. After, right? It is also express the time. It has been 8 years since I went there first. Means here we use since as to show the time. The noise will not stop until the repair work is over. Until, it is also express the time, right? So these are the time expression given, and these conjunction are mainly used to express the time after, before, since, until, when, etc. Right? Conjunction like where and whenever are used to add place details to sentence. Look, conjunction like where, wherever are used to add place details to sentences. Look at that examples. Wait for me where you see a red gate. Wait for me where you see a red gate. Like, right, students? See, then I like come, I will come whenever or wherever you want me to come. I repeat, I will come wherever you want me to come. So these two words shows the place, right, students? Look at that next conjunctions. Because or as and since. Because, as, and since indicate cause or reason. These indicates cause or reason. I am not going to the singing class. I am not going to the singing class because I have sore throat. I have sore throat. So it shows the reason, okay, or cause. The show was cancelled as few people turn up. As is the conjunction. The show was cancelled as few people turn up. It shows cause, right? Like that. Then though and although show concession. Concession. Look at that. Send the application though it is late. Means concession. Send the application though it is late. She cleans this room regularly although no one uses it. Okay, so though and although are also the conjunctions used for showing concessions. Conjunction that introduce a condition are if and unless. If you want to show the condition, then the two conjunctions are there, if and unless. If he comes, if he comes, show him this room. Condition is there. If he comes, otherwise there is no need, right? Like this. Then if he comes, show him this room. I can't pay you unless I get some money from my uncle. Unless I get some money from my uncle, I can't pay you. Like that. So condition is there. Okay. So if and unless are used to show the condition. As if, as though show the manner in which something is done. Shows the manner. As if and though. He did as he was told. He did as he was told. Means it shows manner. He behaved as though or as if he was mad. Like this, you can use different conjunctions. Right now, the exercise 1. Circle the conjunction in the following sentences. I will solve 2 of them and remaining will you can solve in your notebook. Right, students? You must find the key wherever it is. The conjunction is wherever, because wherever is used to show the place and the details about place. You must find the key wherever it is, right? Look at that. It gets very cold here when it rains. Here the conjunction when is used, and when shows time relations. If it gets cold here when it rains, so when you have to circle the when, and in the first sentence you have to circle the wherever. Right, students? Like this you can circle all the conjunctions that are actually in a given sentences. Right, students? Okay, so these are the sentence for you. You can solve this question in your notebook. Okay, look at that next question. Fill in the blank in the following sentence using the appropriate conjunction from the box below. In the box, some conjunctions are given. Some conjunctions are given. You have to write the correct use of it. Means you have to fill the correct fill on that blank. You have to fill the this blank correctly. Right, students? Let's see. I will solve two of them for you, and the remaining one can solve by you also. Right? You can solve it. Write the answer. Dot dot you were taught. Write the answer when you were taught. Okay, right? The police took away the ashtray. The police took away the ashtray. Dot dot it had fingerprints on it. The police took away the ashtray though, or because it had fingerprints on it. Okay, students? Like that you can use proper conjunction in these blanks. Right, students? Look at that. There are only 8 sentences. You have to write it on your notebook. Okay, here our part of conjunction is finished. Thank you for hearing. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Right?